Just like Crocs, skinny jeans, and wife beaters, bow ties are one of those pieces of fashion that has a lot of strong opinions on them. Today, I'm going to talk to you about why you should consider adding them to your wardrobe. So let's get at it. So gentlemen, as you may know, bow ties are one of those odd pieces of clothing. They have a long history in men's fashion. As you might guess, I actually like bow ties. But to be more honest, I have kind of a love/hate relationship with bow ties. And I'm going to tell you why. And first, because when you wear bow ties, you usually stand out. And you stand out because most people really don't wear bow ties nowadays. And I understand why. I can think about me in my childhood. Very few men on TV were actually rocking a bow tie. In fact, for me, the first guy I remember rocking a bow tie was like Pee Wee Herman, which kind of dates me in age-wise. That was the only person I saw wearing a bow tie. And really, there was no black dude rocking a bow tie. Wait a minute, didn't Urkel used to wear a bow tie? Well, either way, still not a ringing endorsement for black men to wear a bow tie. Bow ties did kind of get a negative reputation, but apparently that changed somewhere because, yeah, I got a few bow ties. And it's really because bow ties let you express yourself for who you are, and you can really find your own niche in the world when you're wearing a bow tie. And that doesn't matter if it's formal or casual. I tend to be a guy who likes to dress formal, and even my casual clothes, a lot of people call, pretty formal. I think that this gives your clothes just this panache and flair. And so bow ties to me have grown on me. See, when you wear a bow tie, especially a lot of older men, it reminds them back of a time where men used to care about how they dress. We're a lot more casual in our dress than we used to be. Tying a bow tie really is a skill. It is not hard to tie a bow tie, but honestly, a lot of men do not know how to do it. So something you can actually do is leave a legacy to your children, your boys and girls, of teaching them how to tie a bow tie and how to make it look good. But gentlemen, I'm going to share with you this real secret thing that kind of makes me not like wearing bow ties. It is the fact that people notice your bow ties first and most. I can wear, I don't know, $700 pair of shoes and a starburst pattern necktie, and they will comment on a $30 tie. I think in my head, 2 days ago, I was wearing a $300 Hermes tie. But you talk about the bow tie? What? It is literally what happens when you wear a bow tie. And really, there's only one simple don't when it comes to wearing bow ties. Don't wear pre-tied bow ties. Make you look like a little kid. Gentlemen, being a bow tie guy has a stigma with some men and women. They think you're nerdy, weird, or you have the appearance of a low-T person. But like everything, there is another side. Many women love to see guys in bow ties. There is just something about a guy in a bow tie surrounded by men in t-shirts and hoodies. But me, I wear bow ties because you cannot ignore me. And I am legendary. And I'll see you next time.